Welcome back to AM Northwest. Do you want to look younger? Well, the answer could be in a small pen that's making big strides in anti-aging treatments. Our own Tammy Hernandez checks it out.
We're talking about the non-surgical facial today. I'm at Oregon Derma Center with Dr. Jason Black, and this is the PRP Pen Facial.
Yes.
So tell me about the history of this.
So this has been around for over 50 years. So it's been used in medicine where they've used it for post-surgery. So people who had cardiothoracic surgeries, they found that if they were able to treat them and get their wounds healed faster after surgery, that the length of stay in the hospital would be less and the healing time would be greater and their outcomes would be stronger, which they've found. So it's been used over 50 years. So
originally started as scar tissue treatment?
Yep, scar and wounds. So you can use it for scars, which I do, yes. So scars, so post-surgery, people who have had burns, it's been used for a long period of time. And then it's evolved into where we've used it for sports injuries. So I've used that for the last 13 years. It's been around for just as long as 50 years when it first started. So we can heal tendons which have been partially torn in your shoulder and your knees. It works really well. And now it's evolved where the technology is so good and so great and the science is so great that we can actually use it for facials. And it's amazing. Downtime is less than lasers and it just works really well at tightening, lifting, getting rid of discoloration, fine lines and wrinkles. It's really amazing.
So we're talking about aging skin?
Yep, aging skin. So any person who's like, start noticing your skin aging. So I'd say my typical patients are 35 to 55. And so as hormones start changing and start shifting, people who've had babies, you maybe were a sun worshiper for a long period of time, you start noticing age spots. We can get rid of those and we can actually tighten and prevent with just using components of your own blood.
So let's talk about how this works.
Okay, we call it a PRP pen because it looks like a pen. There's 15 small needles that are the size of an acupuncture needle that are actually on the pen. It penetrates into the top part of your skin and then just below the dermis.
What does PRP stand for?
Platelet-rich plasma. So that's all the healing factors. That's what your body uses if there's an injury.
Colleen came in earlier and had her blood drawn.
Yes.
And then what?
So after the blood is drawn, we have the extraction process that takes about an hour. During that process, Colleen gets prepped, and we prep her with a numbing cream. And so that numbing cream sits on for about 10 or 15 minutes, fully numbs the area that we're going to work on. We wipe all of that off, and then she's ready to go.
So she's ready to go now?
Yep, she's ready to go right now.
How's your face feeling? Numb? Excellent.
Yes. Let's
do it.
Carrie has gotten everything extracted and ready to go. So this is the PRP. There's a slight red tinge to it, but it's relatively light. So we actually put it on. You're not going to see any after effects except for a little bit of redness. So the benefit to actually doing PRP is that you can go out to dinner that night and without having any significant show of like you just had something done. So we turn on the PRP pen, and so the needles are moving up and down. So I'm going to microneedle in that PRP substance. So we're just going to put it underneath the skin. So we just lightly stamp. When you treat the skin has so much blood flow that it heals so quickly.
Oh, that's good to know.
If you take care of it, and you just hydrate it, it'll heal very fast.
So how long is the pen part of this procedure?
It takes 15 to 30 minutes.
Oh, that's not long at all.
No, it's very fast and very smooth.
Once it's all done and she starts healing, how long do the effects last?
Yeah. So the effects will go on working from the last time I do the treatment for 3 to 6 months. I recommend that they get 3 treatments done, and then after that, it can last for 1 to 2 years. And I have patients just come in for usually 1 touch-up. In general, this is the safest procedure you can have done. So this time of the year when it's really sunny and you're worried about damage to your skin, 3 days of downtime is all that you're going to have to experience with a PRP pen.
And through the magic of television, we can see before and afters of Colleen. We can see her this morning, and then 2 weeks later, you can see the wonderful results of this non-surgical facelift. So if you want more information about the PRP Pen Facial at Oregon Derma Center, I'll have that information on our website at ketu.com. Dr. Black's phone number is on our screen right now, so you can call him and find out how you can look younger today. Back to you.